Alright, what's up YouTube? I know it's been a minute since I made a video. Hope everyone's doing well. But I just want to make a quick update on my productivity desk. It's also a music studio, so I want to show you guys an in-depth tour of all the stuff that I have on my desk and the stuff that I've added over the past 6 months. The cool thing about my desk is it's all connected via one cable, one Thunderbolt 3 cable. And I'm going to show you guys how I do it. So let's dive into my desk and I hope you guys enjoy this. First thing you're gonna notice right behind me, pretty obvious from my last videos that I painted the walls behind me. So I made it this matte gray, but I think fits really well with my room. I'll show you guys the rest of the room a little later with the new things that I've added. But I think it just gives a very nice sleek tone to the desk, which really puts me in the right mindset when I do work or make music. Alright, so since my last video, I had a lot of problems with my MacBook Pro, so I did return that one and I got a new MacBook Pro. I did downgrade and then upgrade. I downgraded to the $2799 model, which is the 8-core, 16 gigs of RAM, 4 gig card, and a terabyte hard drive. It's working alright for me. I mean, I have slowed down production on the video side, music side as well. But I do think sooner or later I'm going to upgrade to maybe the Mac Pro, or maybe get an older iMac Pro, or who knows, we might see a new iMac coming out in 2020. But like I said, everything that you see on my desk is connected via one Thunderbolt 3 cable, and it's all made possible with the CalDigit TS3 that I have. As you can see, I have everything connected to it that you can see in front of my desk. My screen, my computer, my monitor, my audio interface are all connected with Thunderbolt 3. So because of that, everything works with just one cable, and it's really easy because I can just take off one cable if I need to go somewhere with the laptop, and when I'm back home, I can just plug that sucker back in and then I'm back in business and it's a desktop again. Right beside me, I have two monitors, due to the monitor. They're a little old. They're the M-Audio BX5s D2s. I think they came out 8 years ago. They still sound okay. I am looking to upgrade to some maybe HS5s from Yamaha, or get some iLoud NTMs. We'll see, but so far they work well and they're all connected to my Thunderbolt 3 powered U8 Aero. Reason why I got the Aero is for the fact that it is Thunderbolt 3, so one cable can go in and I don't need to worry about getting a dongle from Thunderbolt 2 to Thunderbolt 3 if I get the Apollo. This one worked. It does make some noise in the middle of the night. I know there's a few videos on the internet about that. If you're okay with that, when your computer's sleeping, I guess it's fine, but for me, I don't really care about it. But it seems like when your computer's asleep, like overnight, you just hear it kind of booting up and shutting back off, which is kind of weird. But I don't know if it's the UA thing. It might get fixed with software, because I know they're ramping up their software compatibility with Catalina, which I have. So now let's go over to my peripherals, which is going to be my Velocifier mechanical keyboard. This one I bought from Amazon, and it is only $50, which is really cool. I like the mechanical sound when I'm typing, but it is a little high, like the response, but maybe it's because I'm just not used to typing on a mechanical keyboard for a while. I've been using the Magic Keyboard at work, so coming home, having that travel so much higher, maybe that's why it's just a little weird, but I do like the sound of it. That's why I have it. You can turn on and off the light with just that push of a button over there, which is cool. It's not RGB, but you know, whatever, 50 bucks, I can't really complain. And that keyboard is connected to the TS3. With my mouse, it is better than my old video. I had this crappy Logitech mouse. Now I have a less crappy Logitech mouse. It is the MX Master. It is the old version, but still it works fine. That's also connected to the TS3. And you gotta see this big monitor behind me. It is the LG 4K 32-inch monitor. I am not sure about the model. I could link that on the bottom. It is the same screen that I had in my last video, but I might upgrade to another screen that has Thunderbolt 3 sooner or later, maybe the LG 27-inch 5K. So now for the music production part of my setup, I have the M-Audio 49ES key station. It is pretty old as well, but I got it for like 79 bucks on sale at Guitar Center. I am looking to upgrade soon to something else, maybe for 66 keys, so I could play a little more on the keys, but right now it works totally fine. On the side, you see my two guitars. I briefly talked about in my last video, but this is the Martin DPRSG. I believe that's the model. It's the Road series. It's a dreadnought with a cutaway. I like the sound. It's also an acoustic electric, so I could plug that straight into my Aero if I want to record straight in instead of going to a mic or something. I don't play too much electric, but I got this Fender Strat for a steal. I got an open box for like 350 bucks. So, I mean, it's basically brand new. It's the open box for 350. I can't say no to it. So, I mean, it's pretty nice. I mean, I am not an electric player, but I still could play it. So, I just keep that in the background over there. And yeah, I also got a new stand. It looks a lot better compared to before. It was like 24 bucks on Amazon. I can link that below. But if you look at the stand, it just looks so nice compared to the old one. The old one was like tiny, couldn't put really anything underneath, and it just looked like I was squeezing inch for inch with the screen, and it didn't look cool. So I'm using that riser for something else now. But yeah, that's new, and I think it looks dope with everything set up. So yeah, that's my desk now. Again, I know a lot of you guys are working from home, so hopefully this desk kind of inspires you to maybe change up your desk, because I really believe that when your desk is coming for you, your productivity is better and your inspiration could be better as well. So thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for another video. I am putting new stuff around this room, around my area here to, spice things up. Stay safe. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.